Hey guys, News Now California, out in the city of Watsonville. I am at the police department. Chief Ray Bellegarde, One Police Plaza. So Watsonville Police Department are now hiring police officers. So they have two doors here. I'm not sure for what. Push to open. This one. Let's see, this push to open. Doesn't seem to open. Well, it seems like this police department is closed. The Watsonville Police Department is closed on a Saturday? Office hours Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. Okay, so you cannot get access to the police department on the weekends. That seems unusual because most police departments have a lobby open on a weekend. Okay, so the retail area is not open. Retail hours are Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So, police department is closed on the weekends. The retail area and the post office is closed. That's the way it goes in Watsonville. All right, I'm going to check down here to see what the date of the poster 7 is, and my eyesight tells me it's right here. October 2003. It's outdated, but at least they have it up. That's important. Whether they follow it is a different situation. All right, guys, well, I tried. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one.
I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could.